Hi folks, Joe McQuaid, Wealth Preservation Associates. I am coming to you with a message, mainly for our seniors, but the message is appropriate for everyone. Seniors turning 65 and signing up for Medicare will be deluged with mailers from private insurance offering their services for drug plans, Medicare Advantage plans, and Medicare supplements. Nothing wrong with that, and you want to gather as much information as possible to make an informed decision. You will also be bombarded with phone calls. This is wrong. The rules of Medicare are very clear. As a certified agent working with a number of private insurance providers, I will never call you. You need to initiate the contact, and then I am here to assist you. The only exception to this is if you are already my client, then I can reach out to offer my help. So think about those phone solicitors are already breaking the rules. Imagine what will happen if you decide to work with them. In the worst case, it could be a scam. Best case, you are dealing with an unscrupulous individual. Not a good way to start or develop a long-term relationship. Call us with any Medicare questions you have, or even better, go to the source, www.medicare.gov. Review your options, and then call us at 407-593-2243, and we will be happy to help you. Thanks for your time, and have a great day.